bubbles. I have to work the bubbles.
You have to work the bubbles? What bubbles?
Keep going.
Rip all that paper off.
Maybe Mommy needs to do this. That's neat. Wrapping paper, neat tape.
I got the Thomas. I got the Thomas.
You got the Thomas.
Oh, good job.
Whee! Happy birthday!
Oh boy.
Oh, poor Steven.
I was sucking.
Take all the paper off.
Take all the paper away.
Take all the paper off.
Rip it all off.
Good job.
Going all the way around. That's a boy. Good one. Rip and rip. Get all that paper off of there.
Because I work the Thomas. Thomas sucked.
Thomas is stuck?
So get the paper off so you can get him out of there.
Come on, pull